Hello, friends. Dylan Olson back, here with another drawing tutorial. And in this video, I am going to show you how to draw Mystery Incorporated's investigator, Velma. So, get a good pencil, a nice piece of paper, and let's go. So, like with humans, we start out with the top of their heads, which is a circle. And remember to always draw lightly at first. And then next, we need to draw like kind of a almost maybe an almond shape, kind of like you're drawing Daphne. Well, it's not exactly. Velma's head's not entirely like Daphne's, because Velma's is way more round and a little smaller than Daphne's. Okay, now that we got the basic head shape, we need to draw the building blocks for her hair. So I'm going to start with this kind of an oval shape for the top and front of her hair. And then this curved line right here, and then we'll draw this back line going around it. And her hair is short. It's not long like Daphne's. And a little point for there. Now we need to put in our guidelines. We'll do this straight line for her glasses. Her nose will go like right there, so we only need to draw that line. And her mouth will go right there. And then we need to draw kind of a squished square or rectangle, because that indicates like her turtleneck. And Velma's not wearing anything special on her neck, like a bow tie like Fred or a scarf like Daphne. Okay, we've put down our basic building blocks. Now we need to draw her eyes. And we're not exactly drawing her eyes first, because if you remember, she has glasses on. So we'll start off with these rounded squares. Make this one a little bit smaller. And then make this other side of her glasses a little bigger. And then we need to draw the upper part of her, the thing where the glasses sit on her nose. And then we will quickly draw another rounded square that goes inside of them. And then we will draw, we're not going to draw like this part on here because it's being seen from a different angle, and it's also going to be covered when we put her nose in. So let's finish off that, and then we will draw her nose, which means we will go from here and draw it like this. This is your typical female nose, and then a curved line for the nostril that's right there. And then we need to draw the part of her glasses that go over her ear, and it's going to be a little thicker here. And then we need to draw her eyes. So we'll just do a little circle inside of that. And another circle in there. And then we need to draw her mouth. We're gonna make her a happy lady. So we're gonna draw this, kind of this W shape for her mouth. And then on the below her glasses, she has freckles. So we'll do like these really small circles. 1, 2 up here, and then 1 down here. And the same thing on this side of her cheek. Like that. And now we need to draw her general hair. So we'll like maybe make this line right here. And then you draw another curve like this. And then we'll draw another point. We're not going to draw her ears because her hair kind of covers it. And then we will continue to darken in this part of her hair, and the dark line will go over there. So get your pencil to darken that side. Just like that. And then I'll darken this part of her hair right here and connect it to that line right there. All right, and now we are going to draw the front parts of her hair, the folds, or hair doesn't really fold. And it'll go like this. Make this one go a little bit upwards, like that. And then I'm gonna darken in her glasses a little, and like this. Also, we need to darken in this side of her hair. Yeah, like that. And now I'm gonna darken in this rim of her right lens. I'm gonna finally finish eye, and then color in those rims black. I'm gonna darken this part of her head like that. Then I'm gonna darken in this part and color that in. And then let's finish off this. Get that upper side of her rim. Color it in black. That. And then get the same thing with her end of her glasses. Lightly shade that in. And then we'll shade or darken in the lower part of her chin. And maybe put a fold up here, like that. And another one right here. Then I'm gonna darken in her turtleneck. And the bottom as well. And then I'll darken in her nose. And her nostril. I can darken in her mouth. And now I also need to color in those eye pupils black. And now we are also going to put some like eye rims over her eyes. Just like that. I'm not going to darken in the freckles because freckles aren't exactly visible on a drawing. And that's pretty much it. You got Velma. Actually, if you want to finish this off, you can, if you want to have some fun, you can like lightly shade in her hair. If you want to use a red colored pencil, that's fine, but when you're using a red colored pencil or any pencil, you got to use the side because like when you're drawing the lines, it just like digs into the paper and it's not really what we want. This is kind of complicated, so take your time. Take your time. Shaded it in. If you're doing something like this, you don't exactly have to go in the same direction, but if you want to, that's fine. This is a drawing, and drawings are supposed to be fun. Shade that in. So there you go. You have your own illustration of Velma Dinkley. Hope you had fun following along. Hope you learned something, and if this video helped you, give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.